Look at this channel, it boasts over 13 million subscribers, and its most popular video has garnered nearly 100 million views. The majority of its videos have accumulated over 10 million views. But it's not just this one. If you explore this channel and others in the same niche, you'll notice that all of them have millions of video views. There are numerous YouTube channels in this niche, and they all specialize in uploading simple, lo-fi beats with unadorned backgrounds. You might be wondering how it's possible to create such a channel without any music or editing knowledge. Don't worry, I'm going to share a step-by-step process for creating a lo-fi channel with the assistance of AI. However, creating a channel is only the beginning. You'll need to reach 1,000 subscribers and accumulate 4,000 hours of watch time. It's not an easy task, but I will also share a method for achieving quick success. So, make sure not to skip any part of the video. Let's dive in. Step 1. Make lo-fi beats with AI. I am using Mubert AI to generate lo-fi beats. I will add the link of website in description. To use the Mubert AI website, follow these steps. Click on the Generate Track Now option. Enter your desired prompt. For example, I'm typing lo-fi music. Now it's time to choose a music genre from the provided list. There are so many options. I've selected ambient. In the mood section, select a mood that fits your music. I've chosen calm. In the Activities tab, choose the relevant activity. In this case, I've selected piano. You can also set the duration for the track. I've set it to 3 minutes. You can set it according to your requirements. Click on the Generate Track option. Mubert AI will create a track for your video. Click to play the generated track. To download it, you'll need to create a free account. After creating your account, you will be able to download the track. In your Downloads folder, click the Download button. To avoid copyright issues, paste your channel link in this box. You will get the commercial license to use the audio for your lo-fi music channel. Step 2. Generate image for music video. To generate images for your lo-fi channel video, follow these steps. Visit the Leonardo AI website. Click the AI image generation. Choose the Dream Shaper V7 model. This model is best to generate images for a lo-fi video. If you struggle with generating prompts, use the prompt generation feature to create one. For instance, I used the prompt, "A beautiful girl listening to music wearing headphones at night." Click on Ideate, and the AI will generate different ideas for prompts. Select one, and the AI will create images based on your chosen prompt. You can go with these images if you like them. You can regenerate them to get better results. Here are some lo-fi style images I have generated using Midjourney. They are pretty good images. Step 3. Animate your images using Canva. Go to Canva. I have chosen this image and I will add animation to this image. Access the Elements section and search for rain. Filter the search for animated elements and choose a rain animation. Adjust the rain animation to cover the entire window. Reduce its transparency to make it more realistic. You can see this images is perfect for your lo-fi music video. To add more elements, like a coffee mug, search for coffee mug in the graphics section. Select an animated coffee cup and adjust its size. Place it on the table. Now this image is perfect fit for a lo-fi video. Choose 4K quality for video. To download the video, click the Download Video option. Step 4. Create lo-fi music video. I will use CapCut to create lo-fi music video, which is free and easy to use. To edit your video using CapCut, first, import the video and music recording. Paste the video and recording to the timeline. If the video duration is too short, you can slow it down or repeat it multiple times to achieve your desired duration. You can add the video to the end of itself as many times as needed, just to increase the video length. Alternatively, click on the export option and adjust the frame rate. You can switch from 30 frames per second to 60 frames per second to double the video size. Export the video and upload it to your YouTube channel. Let's discuss quick success on YouTube. Live music garners substantial views and watch time, enabling rapid progress. You can achieve this by utilizing live streaming on various platforms such as OBS Studio and StreamYard, both of which support live streaming on YouTube. Personally, I prefer OBS Studio. If you're interested in learning more about live streaming, please let me know in the comments section. I can create a separate video on this topic. Produce longer videos, preferably around 2 to 3 hours. Notice how all the videos on this channel exceed this duration. Creating longer content can be advantageous.